And today we're having a really late start. I was posting a video this morning. Jay checked out the gym in the hotel. How was it?
It's great.
Nice little gym session. But today we're going to check out the east side of the island. But additionally, we're also going to have a look at the tea plantation because the Azores is very, very famous for its tea production. So I'm super excited for that. Let's go. And we are here at our first beautiful viewpoint of the day. This is Miradouro de Santa Iria. Gives you wonderful panoramic views all over the north side of the island. It's super green. The Atlantic Ocean is looking very, very blue. And literally 5 minutes from here, there's a beach.
Brethren, you film on your camera and you say the beach here. There's no beach here.
There's no beach here.
So
bro.
when people come and they watch your video and then they realize that they come here and they see no beach, they're going to leave you bad comment. They're going to put thumbs down on your video.
But first they need to understand what you're saying.
Put subtitles on the video.
Subtitles on the video.
Subtitles, bro.
You're going to have to send those through because I absolutely...
don't come here because there's no beach here. There's not a beach here. Yeah?
The beach isn't here. The beach
not here.
It's 5 minutes from here.
We couldn't find it and the drone couldn't find it. If the drone can't find it, there's no beach here.
Do you want to buy a cute little hat to celebrate your holidays? This will suit you. What do we think? Yes? No?
I can already tell it's a no. I feel like this might be swaggy.
It suits the
This
yeah, actually looks quite
is it swaggy?
Cool. There you go, let me see.
Where's the sun?
Okay.
Where is the sun?
Okay, that's not bad.
Oh, the sun's gone.
Got a lot of colours going on. What do we think?
Where is the sun?
What do we think? Sand colour or khaki?
I feel like, where's that sun though? I can feel it, but I can't find it.
It's above you.
Oh, okay.
Sand or khaki? Let me know in the comments.
Cheap as well.
Yeah, I know, but that's not the one. It's
Yeah.
like you're going fishing. I just think the khaki looks far better. It looks far more, as you described it, swaggy.
I might get a Portugal hat as well.
Get a Portugal hat like a proper tourist.
Why not?
Why don't you get a t-shirt with Ronaldo on it? How about that? That's actually kind of cool.
Is it?
I'm just saying that so he gets a move on. I want to go. Let's go. Should take it back.
What, because we found the beach?
Because we actually found the beach.
I don't understand how this was hidden.
So this is called Praia de Moinhos beach. There's also a bar here. I think we're going to go and grab a nice little refreshing beer here or a cocktail. What do you reckon? Cocktails?
Cocktails for sure.
Cocktails for sure.
Way too strong.
Way too strong.
Cocktails meant to be sweet. Meant to get you drunk without knowing you're drinking. I'll give this a 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. Send it back. That is why I always go for beer, because you can never go wrong with one of these.
You know, like they normally like have like a little umbrella.
Yeah, you want the umbrella?
Like the trees.
Yeah.
Trees.
The trees?
Mint leaves. Like I just feel like it needs a bit more dressing. Like there's one bit of leaf floating in there, but I need about 6 more of them.
You need
I just feel like
pineapple on the side.
right. That's what I'm saying, and I don't feel like I'm asking for much. Just needs a bit more effort.
Jay, you asleep? How was your sleep?
That was really nice sleep.
Yeah.
I loved
Land
it.
of Nod.
Oh, I love napping, man.
Did you dream?
I hate that you guys woke me up. I was like in a different world, and
Now you're back in this one. How unfortunate. And if this beach wasn't the one for you, there's also a second one 5 minutes from here. This is Porto Formosa. You can also see that it is a little port with some boats. It's not quite as nice of a beach, but it's an area which is quiet. There's a lovely church up there as well if you want to go and experience a little bit of culture. We've spent a lot of time at the beach already, so next we're going to head over to the tea plantation. So there are only 2 tea plantations in the whole of Europe, 2 of which are here on São Miguel Island. Green one, and we've got the black one. Okay, so green tea. It's really good. It doesn't have that like strong, not bitterness that green tea generally has, so it's really easy to drink. This is the black tea. Ooh, really, really good. Oh, you've subscribed?
Yeah.
Love that. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe, man.
It's very smooth.
Yeah, it's really nice, really easy to drink.
Yeah, for sure.
And the black tea is really good. Normally I drink, obviously being British, we drink black tea with milk. But this black tea, you can drink it without the milk. It's different, it definitely tastes different. And that is attributed to the volcanic acidity of the volcano.
You struggled.
Yeah, I struggled with that one. So at Cha Gorreana Tea Plantation, there are also 2 hikes. And you can have a sniff of them. See what they smell of? Just smells like a normal leaf.
Oh my, I'm out, bro.
What happened? What was that? What was it? Was that a
rat or something?
Was it a rat?
I don't know what it was, but I'm not finding out.
Bye.
I'm out.
So maybe also you can find some rodents here as well. But it's definitely worth spending maybe an hour here, grab some free tea, wander around for a bit, catch the sun. It's great. All right, so we have had a slight change of plan. We were gonna do the whole east side of the island, all of Nordest and Salto de Prego, but you know, it is tiring doing this, isn't it? It is exhausting trying to hit all these spots. So we've decided we are just gonna come back to the Hotel Verde Mar Spa. So I just wanna show you guys the room at the Hotel Verde Mar Spa. It is really quite nice. I love the design. There's a beautiful bath there, and this curtain, it comes down, so if you want a little bit of privacy, you can have that, or if you want to watch the TV whilst you're bathing, you can also do that as well. So pretty bog standard, usual bathroom, and this right here is the highlight though. The view of the pool from the balcony, beautiful pool. And also you've got the water there. There isn't really a beach for swimming on just here, but if you walk a little bit further on at Riviera Grande, you will find a beach that we went to the other day with Lydia, which is really, really great for some swimming. And it's also really good for surfing. Look at this setup right here. We got clams with lemon, shrimp, garlic shrimp. He's got the garlic shrimp as well. How are they? Those garlic shrimps. Are they banging?
Yeah. Came with some free piece of breads.
So we are going to a restaurant later near the hot springs in Furnas. So this is just a light snack until then. Just enjoying the sun, catching some rays, enjoying this food, and of course the mandatory pina colada. So it is 7:25 and we have a dinner reservation
7:30
at 7:30 in Furnas, which is 30-minute drive
why
from
are we late?
here.
It's because of him. Fashionably late.
Fashionably late, exactly, that's what it is. So we're gonna go to Furnas and we are gonna go to a restaurant first, Tony's restaurant, same as yesterday, to get the famous Cozido, and then after that we are going to the hot springs. So, should we do it?
Let's do it.
Is that enough food for you?
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
I can see why this doesn't look good. It doesn't do well in pictures.
Yeah, it doesn't do well on pictures.
I don't think it'll do well in video either.
I'm not sure how it's going to taste either. It doesn't look the most appealing of foods.
But I think this is going to be nice.
I hope it's going to be nice. How was it?
It's not nice.
But it's just like chorizo.
I just don't know what I don't know what I bit into. Can I get some sauce, please? Some sauce. Yes, please. Hot chili sauce.
You need sauce for it?
It's a no from me.
It's a no from you. Why? What's up with it?
It's not seasoned. Bro, it is really dry.
You're finding it really dry?
I feel like I'm eating like coffee beans. The chicken is nice though. The chicken's nice and tender.
Chicken's good.
But it's unseasoned.
Yeah, and it's lacking a bit of flavour. So I can also vouch for that. If you're looking for a flavoursome meal, it's not this one. I think what
they had yesterday was really nice.
Yeah, the restaurant's good because we ate yesterday and it was really, really delicious. But this dish, look, it's not an exquisite meal. It's not got loads of flavours.
It take 8 hours.
Yeah.
I would expect it to taste like. I'd expect it to heal me. You know what I mean? Like, it should be doing some crazy stuff.
Yeah, and this just isn't doing that. It's not doing that. But it's worth trying. If you're in the Azores, you've got to try it. Come to Furnas, Cozido. This is pretty amazing. It's kind of cold out here, but in there, it's about 45 degrees. So, let's go do it. Oh, that is unreal. This is all naturally heated, that's the craziest thing. So at these hot springs, I think there's about 5 different hot baths that you can bathe in. And I think the main attraction to this hot spring is the fact that it is open very, very late. I think closing time during COVID right now it's about 10:30, but in normal hours it is about 11, so you can come pretty late. Yeah, this is This is really quite something. Really good.